Gentle with Buster, Coco. He's not Shetty. Hey, Coco, gently. Give him a cuddle. Don't... Good cuddle. Good girl. No, Coco, just give him a cuddle gently. Good girl. You two getting on well? Tell Daddy how well you get on. Give him a cuddle, Coco. Tell him how well you get on. Good boy, Buster. Oh, Coco, say hi to Daddy. Say hello, Daddy. Good boy, Buster.
Daddy.
Oh dear.